Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to learn about chapter 7 fractions. Fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. So that means in one whole thing, if you are dividing, that is called fraction. Suppose now here example, so you can see here, so the whole thing here we have cut. So here this is called 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, so in the half it is. So now again if you make into two parts, four parts, so if you make this whole cake, if you make into two parts, then you will get each half means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, like that. So for example 4 by 8, 1 by 2, etc. So in this form it is there, so these are called fraction. Numerator and denominator. Numerator, the top number in a fraction. Denominator, the bottom number in a fraction. See now here 3 by 4. So now this one, top one. So here 3 is called numerator and 4 is called denominator. So now types of fraction. So here in types of fraction we have proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, equivalent fraction. So these are the types of fractions. Let us see proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is known as proper fraction. So that means numerator should be lesser than the denominator. So that means above part it should be small and below part it should be bigger. So numerator should be small and denominator should be big number. See the example 2 by 3, 3 by 6, 5 by 7, 16 by 40. So in this all numerator is small number, denominator is bigger number. So this kind of fractions are called proper fractions. Next is improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is known as an improper fraction. Just opposite to proper fraction. So in proper fraction, numerator is small, denominator is big. So here opposite. Denominator should be big, numerator should be big, denominator should be small. So that means numerator is greater than the denominator. See the example 3 by 2, 6 by 3, 5 by 5, 40 by 16. So these are called improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. See here with whole number and a fraction, it is the combination of whole number and fraction. See 2, 3 by 5. So here 2 is whole number, 3 by 5 is a fraction. 5, 1 by 2. 5 is a whole number, 1 by 2 is a fraction. So these are called mixed fraction. Now, like and unlike fraction, like fraction. The fraction which have the same denominators are called like fractions. So that means denominator should be same. So such type of fractions are called like fractions. Example 2 by 8, 4 by 8, 6 by 8. Next, unlike fraction. The fractions which have unequal denominators or different denominators are called unlike fractions. So that means here it should be different denominators. So 2 by 5, 4 by 6, 8 by 9. So these are called unlike fractions. Next, equivalent fraction. When two or more fractions have the same result after simplification for which they represent the same portion of the whole, then such fractions are equal to each other and are called equivalent fractions. See here for example 1 by 2. So now here you can see two parts are shaded, so total are 4, so 2 by 4. Now here 3 by 6, 4 by 8, and that this, so now 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, this if you simplify, see here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So here you will get again 1 by 2 only. So these are called equivalent fractions. Next, fraction on a number line. Half is denoted as 1 by 4, where 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator number. Line. In math, a number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. See here, how you will represent the fractions in number line means, so here 0, 1. So in 0, in 1 between, so we know that half means 1 by 2, quarter means 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, so like this. So now here again 4 by 4 means we will get 1. So we write here like this. Simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is in simplest form when the top and bottom cannot be any smaller while still being whole numbers. To simplify a fraction, divide the top and bottom by the greatest number that will divide both numbers exactly. So what means numerator and denominator should be divided with the same number. So then it will become simplest form. Comparing fractions. If the denominators are the same, then the fractions with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. The fraction with the lesser numerator is the lesser fraction. And as noted above, if the numerators are equal, the fractions are equivalent. Use lesser than or greater than to compare two fractions and compare between 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. So here what means, in the case of if the numerators are same, if the denominators are same means, so you can compare the numerators. So which is bigger, that will be greater than, and which is smaller, that will be lesser than. Now look at the example, 4 by 5, 3 by 5 they have given. So now here 5 and 5 denominators are same. So now you have to compare numerators 4 and 3. So we know that 4 is a bigger number, 3 is a smaller number. So 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. As the denominators are equal and 4 is greater than 3. So this way we compare in like fractions. Comparing like fractions. Compare the numerators. If the first fraction has the smaller numerator, it's less than the other. If it has the larger numerator, it's greater than the other. See now here. Example 9 by 3 and 5 by 3. Same here. Denominators are same. So now you have to compare the numerators. So here 9 and 5 we have the numerator. So 9 is greater number, 5 is smaller number. So 9 is greater than 5. So now you can say 9 by 3 is greater than 5 by 3. Next, comparing unlike fractions. Which is larger, 3 by 4 or 5 by 12? So now here you can see denominators are different. So in this case, how you can do? Let us find the LCM of denominators 4 and 12. So now what we have to do? First you have to take the LCM of denominators 4 and 12. So therefore LCM of 4 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. We will get 12 as a LCM. So now what you have to do? You should convert the given fraction to the equivalent fraction with the denominator 12. So now here you have to make the denominators equal. So that means 3 by 4 means you will get 3 into 3 by 4 into 3. So that means 9 by 12 you will get. So 5 by 12, 5 into 1 by 12 into 1 we will get 5 by 12. So now denominators has become same. 12, 12. So now you can compare 9 and 5. So 9 is bigger, 5 is small. So you can say 9 is greater than 5. So now you can tell 9 by 12 is greater than 5 by 12. So here 9 by 12 means 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 12. So this is the way you can compare unlike fractions. Next, adding fractions. To reduce fraction to a least common denominator, add the numerators and put the answer over the same denominator. Simplify the fraction to convert improper fraction to mixed number if needed. See here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So here what you have to do here, denominators are different. So you have to take the LCM for 3 and 6. So you will get the LCM as 6. Now you should make the these denominators equal. So now here 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So that means 2 by 6 you will get, and 1 by 6 means you will get 1 by 6 only. So here you got 1 by 6, 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So then 2 plus 1 by 6 you will get. So 3 by 6. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 you will get the answer. Subtracting fractions. Subtract two fractions. It is necessary to reduce fraction to least common denominator. Subtract the numerators and put the answer over the same denominator. Simplify the fraction. See here 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So here also same only. If the denominators are different means just you have to take the LCM, make the denominators equal, then reduce. So you will get the answer as 3. So in the case of like fractions, adding in like fractions, make sure that bottom numbers are the same. Add the top numbers means the numerators. Put that answer over the denominator. Simplify the fraction if needed. See here, example 11 by 5 plus 6 by 5. So here, if the first you have to check the denominators. If the denominators are same means you can add directly the numerators. So 11 plus 6 by 5. So you will get 17 by 5. Next, same way subtracting like fractions. Make sure the bottom numbers, that means denominators, are the same. So first you have to check the denominators whether they are same or not. If it is same means subtract the top numbers. So that means numerators. Put the answer over the same denominator. Next, simplify the fraction. See example 19 by 9 minus 8 by 9. So here you can check the denominators 9 and 9 are same. So now you can add the you can subtract the numerators 19 minus 8. So you will get 11. 11 by 9 is the answer. So this is the way we have learned now in this chapter types of fractions and how to reduce to lowest terms. Then you have learned addition and subtraction how to do. So I hope you all understood. Thank you.